eTakeoff software opens the door to takeoff efficiencies you may never have thought possible. Just ask the thousands of estimators who use our electronic takeoff products daily. They'll tell you about higher bid output, improved project win rates, and less chance of errors. In fact, eTakeoff's innovative tools are known to increase takeoff productivity by as much as 15 times. Why choose eTakeoff? Let's start with overall ease of use. Our award-winning navigation bar is the same format used in popular Microsoft products, so you instantly know your way around the software. Other takeoff systems force you to learn a completely new user interface. We also offer tons of unique time-saving features not found in competing systems. At the start of a project, for instance, you don't have to convert drawings from PDFs to TIFFs, a lengthy process many other electronic takeoff products recommend. With eTakeoff, a PDF is all you'll need. Counting multiples of the same item, such as smoke detectors, is also a breeze. Our patented pattern search does the counting for you, all in the background, as you continue to do quantity takeoff. Streamline your takeoff even further with our assemblies. Using just one measurement, such as the length of a wall, you can generate all the wall's component quantities, from studs to drywall. Best of all, you can customize assemblies with your own formulas and logic. And there's so much more. From assigning your own work breakdown structure codes during takeoff to allowing multiple estimators into the same takeoff project at the same time. We're also experts at electronic takeoff integration. eTakeoff software links directly into your customized Excel templates. And if you use the popular Sage estimating system, both 2D and 3D takeoff details flow seamlessly into your estimate for further analysis. Easy to use. Top-shelf technology. Innovative. eTakeoff. Launching you above your competition.